factors in SEO. I told you about there are only 3 ranking factors, which is content, technical SEO, and backlinks. And after that, we were talking about steps to SEO. There are only 3 steps in SEO, guys. First step is called as keyword research. That is the core aspect, one of the most important aspects. Next one comes is something called as on-page optimization. In on-page optimization, we have content SEO and we have technical SEO. And the next one comes is called as off-page SEO. Off-page SEO, in that we do only one thing, which is called as link building. Okay, so these are the now as of you see here, content, technical SEO, backlinks. Here also same thing, content, technical SEO, and backlinks. And afterwards, I started with keyword research. I told you about what is keywords. Keyword research is a method of finding the best suitable search term for your business. Now, just understand this, guys. You have a product or service that you want to sell online. So what exactly do you think your customers or your prospects on the web searching for you to find your service is called as keyword research. So step number 1, you'll be learning how to do keyword research. So I told you the tools for doing keyword research. There are hundreds and hundreds of tools, guys. Trust me, you don't need to know all the tools. Okay, I told you how to choose a good keyword. Now this essentially I should never forget, guys. You should always keep in mind it should be relevant, it should be having good search volume, check the competition, understand the commercial intent, trends, and based on length. Now these are the things I told you in the last class. Now continuing with today's class, now these are 3 steps. Now coming to the next aspect, I told you called keyword research. So selecting a good keyword. So tools for doing keyword research, there are plenty of them, guys. Now coming to the essential extensions I want you guys to install. These are the few essential extensions I want to install before starting the class. The first one I want you to install is called as Mozbar. Just go to, just search for Mozbar Chrome extension. Okay, it's a Chrome extension, guys. Just click search and you click on this one, the first one, and click on this option called as add to Chrome. Okay, so I'm getting removed from Chrome because I've already added them. Make sure you add to Chrome. Once you add them to Chrome, guys, if you click on this icon, you get this bar. Okay, now you can click. If you don't have an account, I know most of you don't have an account. Click on create account and give your information, give your name, the email, display name, and password, and just sign up for it and just click on create account. It will get a mail. It's a double opt-in, of course. Just confirm your mail and you'll be seeing metrics. Okay, so I'll come to this when doing competitive analysis. As of now, not required. So the next Chrome extension I want you to use is called as SEO Quick. Just search for SEO Quick. It's a Chrome extension, of course, chrome.google.com. So this is the one. Click on the third one and there you go. You'll be able to see. Just make sure you install it. I have already installed it. I know for me it's not required. For you guys, make sure you install this Chrome extension. And the last one I want you to install is SERP Trends Chrome extension. Okay, now click on this one, first one, and this is the one, guys, I want you to install. Okay, there's one more extension which is pretty much required. I pretty much use it, called as Keywords Everywhere. Keywords Everywhere. Okay, now I think I made a mistake. Now just make sure you install this Chrome extension. This is a very important extension. You will get the search volume for every single stat. This one is a paid extension, guys. I'm a paid user. It's like $10 or something. If you are able to get it, make sure you get it. It's worth it for a long time. So at least you'll definitely get, if you're a medium user, you'll definitely get for 6 months to 1 year, definitely. Okay, so I prefer to use this Chrome extension. There are 4 extensions I want you to install it. Okay, now once I install it, guys, now let me start. So to do keyword research, guys, now step number 1, you're going to use the most powerful tool in the planet. Any guesses what is that? Okay, it's Google Sheets. Okay, go to drive.google.com. okay, so once you go to drive.google.com, just click on go to drive. Now here, sign in, add your login with your Google account. Okay, you can use your free Gmail account, guys, and this is your Google Drive account, guys. I already have an account. Hopefully I'm assuming you guys already have a Gmail account. Okay, so once you come to this step, so I'm going to click on this left top corner, new, and click on this option called as Google Sheets. Okay, if you have Microsoft Office, absolutely works. Okay, so come to this step. Now step number 1 is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select. So I'm come to this step. So first step is going to do is I'm going to select like 3 or 4 columns. I'm going to highlight this, guys. There's nothing, it's not a perfect world. I don't want to make it too perfect. I'm trying to do like as presentable as possible. Okay, the goal is not to perfect how to use Google Sheets. Okay, and you won't get awards for, you won't get ranked for organizing your Google Sheets, so don't make it too complex. So I'm going to merge cells here. Click on this merge cells. So I'm going to make it as list of services that you want to offer, and I'm going to make it center aligned. Okay, so I'm going to make it central and say I'm going to make it something like 18, so it looks much better. I'll make it like 24. This looks much better. So here is where you make a list of your services. Say for example, and also guys, when you're making a list for your clients, you should know the demographics of your clients. Okay, say demographics like location, age group of the people you're targeting, gender of the people of the targeting. Say for example, we are offering that digital marketing services to people living in Bangalore, so you can target them. Now make a list. Now I can just quickly highlight the background, guys. It's not important at all. Now say for example, if you have a list of products, guys, make a list of products. Okay, so I'm going to like make a list of them. Say for example, we want to offer web design. We are a web design company. We offer web design services. Okay, say offer web design. Okay, I'll just make it as web design services. Next one. So you have another service called as digital marketing service. I know it's a very big field, but you can just give it as digital marketing services. Like that, you can add PPC services. You can add social media services, or like you can make a list of your services. Now I want to offer digital marketing courses also, so you make a list of it like this. Okay, nothing complicated. Just like the services names, guys. Don't write any keywords. Just make a list of services. Okay, so afterwards give some lines so that you can, if you want to add more services, you can feel free to do so. So I'm going to select like 4 columns, again merge it. So I'm going to give it this column as keyword research. Okay, and afterwards again I'm going to make it center aligned. Okay, and change the background. Okay, again let me make it look presentable. Now done, guys. Here now what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to give as service type, service. Second column I'm going to give it as Google suggestions / Google keyword planner. If you're using Uber suggest, put / Uber suggest. Okay, so after this, guys, if you want to expand this column, it would be easy for you. And afterwards, the next thing you need, I think only one column you need, is search volume. Okay, so just keep in mind, guys, before doing keyword research, you should know the most important aspect is you need to know how to choose a keyword. Okay, you should never forget that it should be relevant. It should be having good search. You have to understand the competition of the keyword. You should understand the commercial intent of the keyword, and also you have to understand the trends, and based on length also you have to understand. So my first service I want to say is web design services. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the service, I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so first let me do one thing. Let me select this tab and make it highlighted. Let me choose this one. Okay, it looks better. Now my service name is web design services. So step number 1 is, guys, I would like to go with Google suggestions. I usually start with Google suggestions. I don't even think about anything outside Google suggestions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a new tab. If you're okay, go to google.com. Okay, now once you go to google.com, guys, search here for digital marketing. Sorry, like I think I'm offering what? I'm sorry. I'm offering web design services. Now I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it here. Okay, web design services, and give space. Okay, and click enter. Now here, guys, this is what it takes time. You have to give space. Okay, and afterwards you see suggestions. You see list of suggestions. These are called as suggestions. Is there anything relevant to my business? No, as of now. Afterwards I type A, afterwards B, afterwards C. Like this, guys, you have to take time and get all the list of services. Now can you see I just typed B. I found one super relevant located to my location, which is Bangalore. So can you see digital market web design services Bangalore? So I'm going to select this. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to add them under suggestions. Now this is what you start with, guys. These are very, very powerful keywords. Okay, what you see here. Okay, and you didn't stop there. Can you see I just click space, again I'm getting services. Now I'll select the second one is relevant. Of course it's relevant. I'm going to select this. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to add it here. Now like this, guys, you can spend a lot of time in getting good quality keywords. Don't worry about search volume. You get search volume here. Actually, can you see this? This is because of the extension called as Keywords Everywhere. Now what you can do, guys, you can spend a lot of time and waste your time in doing this. I don't recommend that. At least get 1 or 2 keyword ideas. Okay, these are keyword suggestions. This can also be called as seed keywords. Okay, this is service name. These are my seed keywords. This I got through Google suggestions. Okay, just understand the concept here, guys. Very, very important. Okay, this I got through Google suggestions. Once I got through Google suggestions, the next tool I'm going to use is called as Google Keyword Planner. So to sign up for Google Keyword Planner, guys, just go to ads.google.com. It's a free tool unless you want to run an ad. So go to ads.google.com. And once you come to this step, there's an option called as Get Started. Click on Get Started. Okay, it's going to ask you to log in with your Google account, Gmail account. I already have linked my Google account, guys. Now you'll not be seeing this step, but you'll be seeing this step. Just give me a second, I'll show you what you'll be seeing. Now you'll be coming to this step, guys. Now just go through the setup. In PPC class, I'll go through step by step on what to choose. As of now, just click on this option called as switch to expert mode. Once you do that, and here you'll be seeing so many different types of marketing campaign goals. Click on create account without a, create a campaign without, create an account without a campaign. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, so here you have by default whatever it is comfortable with you. As of now, since I'm from India, my currency is of course Indian rupee. I'll leave it default and now click submit. Based on your location, guys, you can choose whatever option you want and click on explore your account. That's it, guys. This is as simple as signing up for Google Ads account. Once you do this step, now what I want you to do is click on tools. Click on tools. There's an option called as keyword planner. Okay, click on Google keyword planner. Here, tools, this option called as keyword planner under planning. So this is the most important tool. Trust me, guys, there is no tool on the planet that comes close to Google keyword planner. I've pretty much tried every tool, guys. But if you want to save time, if you are okay to go for paid account, go for Ahrefs. Ahrefs, one of the best tools on the planet. It's like a Swiss army knife for SEO. Okay, so I use it for my agency. As of now, it's not required for me, so I'm not using it. I highly recommend to use Ahrefs. It's one of the best tools, absolutely worth every single penny. Now we get two options here, guys. Now I don't have any keyword list. I have only two keywords. That's just a suggestion. Okay, I don't want to go for the second option. I'll go find search volume and forecast. You don't get this, guys. If you want to get the search volume, exact search volume, you have to be a paid account of Google Ads. Okay, so as of now, I'll go for discover new keywords. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy these two keywords. Copy, go back here. Can you see here? I'm going to paste it here like this. Just paste it. Okay, now if you have one, you can add one also, nothing wrong. Afterwards, can you see option called as get results? Now you let it be India only, guys. No need to change any of these options. Some people ask, sir, can I check with my competitors? Absolutely, guys. You can check what competitors what keywords your competitors are trying to rank for. You can do that also. All you have to do is click on start with a website, add your competitor name here, competitor website URL. Of course, we'll start to see what keywords they are ranking for. But I prefer to go for adding searches, guys, Google suggestions. I feel you get far more in-depth keyword ideas. So I've selected two keywords, and afterwards you can see get results. I click on get results. And afterwards, guys, once I click on this tab, now what happens is I'll be seeing, you can just close this tab. Now, this is the dashboard of the keyword research, guys. Now, I told you, whenever you're choosing a keyword, you understand the keyword relevance. Of course, these are relevant keywords. Few of them are not. I'll select, is it relevant? Yes. Is it having search volume? Guys, if you're a paid user of Google Ads, you get the exact search volume. So you can understand the competition. This is PPC competition. There's no point in talking about in SEO. So everything else is not required, guys. Here you have to consider only two things. Okay, so competition, SEO competition, I'll teach how to do that later. Okay, so let me go through them one by one. Let me see which and all are relevant. So let me see, this is relevant. Digital marketing now, sorry, web design company in Bangalore and web design services Bangalore. These are two keywords I got ideas from. So let me see what and all others are relevant. So web design company in Bangalore, is it relevant? Yes. Is it having good search volume? Yes. And for now, as of now, I can't do the competitive analysis here. If you have Ahrefs, you can do all at once there. So I'll teach you that, but understand the commercial intent. It looks pretty clear. He's looking for a service. And the fifth one is trends, guys. You can just check it out here at trends.google.com. You get the search volume. In the previous class, I have explained how to check trends, and based on length, of course, it is five words. It's a long tail keyword. So web design, web development company in Bangalore, is it relevant to my service? Yes. Will I get customers to my business? Yes. So what about web design company in Bangalore? Yes. Web development company in Bangalore, website designers in Bangalore, web designers in Bangalore, best web design company in Bangalore, e-commerce web development company, of course, yes. E-commerce development company, we offer e-commerce also. Web development in Bangalore, yes. Website design in Bangalore. I hope you're understanding, guys. These are way too conversion focused keywords. That is the reason I would usually start with Google suggestions. Okay, I don't directly recommend. I personally don't use Ubersuggest, guys. Ubersuggest, some people say it's one of the best tool. My point of view, I don't like them. The reason I say is, I'll show you what it is. I take you immediately here. I go to ubersuggest.com. Fantastic guy, Neil Patel, like best digital marketer in the world. If I take the same keyword ideas and I'm copy this and add them, what usually happens is they show the real. Now I don't think I can add both than more than one. I'll just add country India. and I click search here. What usually happens here is it usually shows the modifiers of that keyword, which means before and after modifiers of that keyword only it will be showing. It won't show me new keyword ideas. That is the only reason I don't use, yeah, most of the tools, not only this, I don't use keywordtool.io or any of the keyword tool. The only good thing here is you get the search volume for free. Okay, that's the only important thing that you can see. Okay, so guys, SEO difficulty, paid difficulty have their own metrics and dimensions. Okay, own metrics of their own company. Based on that, they'll be analyzing it. Okay, now can you see guys, search volume, service. Now what usually can you see, jobs, this type of keywords you don't find them in Google Keyword Planner, because Google Keyword Planner is far better. Okay, so next one, e-commerce website developers. Yes, e-commerce website development, web design and development company, top web design companies, best web design. Now I'm not going to offer at that price. Best website designers, top web design company, web design company, best web design company in Bangalore. Guys, you're understanding all of them are long tail, super relevant. I'm just going through them as we speak. Now guys, most people ask me, sir, how many keywords should I select? I'm on record, guys. I'm clearly telling you, please never forget, there is no limit on the number of keywords you can optimize in a page. Okay, there are pages that rank for thousands of keywords, one page. Okay, so there is no number of there's no limit on the number of keywords. I'll teach you step by step guide on how to optimize it. Some people say there is a limit. There is no limit, guys, trust me on this. Okay, as use as many keywords as possible, but make sure select as many. If you select 150 keywords, 100 keywords, it is fine, absolutely fine, but make sure you follow my checklist. It should be relevant, it should be having good search volume, understand the user intent. If there is no user intent, what is the point? Can I see the user intent says cheap web designers in Bangalore? The user intent clearly says it's not my customer in the first place. Okay, we offer a very premium service. Okay, so as of now I'm not going to select that, but you got the point. E-commerce web design company, web design and development company, already 24 keywords gone. Web design services, website creation in Bangalore, website builder doesn't sound so professional for me. I don't think the user intent is poor. Again, see the search volume is going down and down. Web development agency, WordPress, we offer website also, WordPress also, I can select it, but as of now I don't want to select it. E-commerce web designer, web design and development, e-commerce web design, best web developers, website developers in Bangalore, web design and development company. Guys, you got the point. Like this, you keep on going and selecting as much as possible. Okay, I have 77. Let me just quickly go through them and select it as soon as possible. Best web designers, top 10 web designing company, responsive web design, responsive web design. We don't offer Magento, so we don't select that. Web design and development, we don't do freelancing. Top 10 web development company. Development startups, we are a startup. I can choose that, but I don't want to do that because I don't think the user intent is so clear. Website makers, web design cost. It depends on the website, but sure, I'll select it. Top 10 web design, web development companies. I'll select that. Web design, website development cost in Bangalore. Yes. E-commerce development Bangalore. Responsive web design, e-commerce design company. I don't know. I'm not sure. Freelance, no. Web development company. As you can see, the search volume is going down, guys, but still it's fine. Website, web design and development, website design and development, of course. So as you can see, guys, small web design, WordPress, professional web developer, website developer. Okay, web design and developer, creation cost, top website design company, best web development company, app. We don't offer apps. Okay, so e-commerce development cost and web designing Bangalore, and wow, look at this length of these keywords, and leading web designing company. I got 53 keywords, 53 keywords just like that, and all are super targeted, super relevant. Now most people ask me, sir, then how do you finalize the number of keywords? I finalize by one thing, guys, one metric, the sum of the search volume. I repeat, the sum of the search volume of all the keywords. I expect as a thumb rule should be about 10,000. That's what I keep as a thumb rule. If it's a niche market, you can get 2,000, 3,000 search volume. Sum of all the search volume will be 10,000. That is fine. Okay, so I'm going to click on this option called as this option, guys. Once you select it, click on this option called as add keywords. Once you click on add keywords, go to this keywords tab in the left side navigation menu. You see all the 53 keywords or 50 keywords what you selected for your business. Okay, hope you're able to see this, guys. You'll be able to see these keywords. Now once you see this, now in the right top corner there's an option called as download. Okay, click on download. Plan forecast is there, click on that. Okay, your keywords will get downloaded as a CSV file. Since I don't use this, I don't use Office, so I'm going to upload this to my drive. Okay, my drive, the file is getting uploaded here. So what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm going to click on this file. Okay, and I'm going to click on open with Google Sheets. This opens in Google Sheet. Now I think this is the list. No, I'll just make it as keyword research report. Okay, so I'm going to go to this list. Now go to column K, and these are the keywords list. Okay, oh sure. So you see the keywords, guys. I'm going to select all the keywords I'm able to select. I'm going to copy this, copy, go back here and add them like this. Now totally it became almost 54. I think it was last 54 plus couple more. 56 keywords I was able to generate, and all are super relevant, super targeted. And this is how I do keyword research. Okay, I don't take my service name and go to Uber Suggest or any other free tools or paid tools. And what that tools does is it shows the modifier of the words. I don't want modifier of the words, I want other search intent terms. Okay, so because if I search for web design services in other tools, it shows other relevant terms related to services only. If I search for companies, it shows other relevant terms to companies. I don't want that. I want other new keyword ideas, which usually come with Google Keyword Planner only or Ahrefs. Okay, cool, guys. This is how you do keyword research. Now afterwards, if you want to do it for other services, just copy these two columns. Okay, if you want to add more keywords, you can give few line space, or you can add column any of in the future. So the next service is digital marketing services. So copy this. Step number 1, go here, paste it. Step number 2, go to here, go to Google, just paste it and click enter. This is, and afterwards give space. Okay, so what do you see here? Suggestions, web design service, sorry, digital marketing services in Bangalore. All of them are there. I'm quickly going to go through them, guys. I'm going to select this. This is a suggestion, of course. Copy, paste under suggestions. Afterwards, go to your Google Keyword Planner. Go to you guys. If you are not sure, click on this Google Ads icon. Click on this option called as Tools, Keyword Planner here. Okay, find new keywords, add the keyword idea which you got from suggestion, and click on Get Result. Okay, that's it. Now afterwards, see what ideas you get. Services, can I see company in Bangalore, agency in Bangalore. Now if you go for here services in Uber Suggest, you see all relevant close modifier of services only. You never get agency or company new ideas. Okay, digital marketing company in Bangalore, yes. Digital marketing in Bangalore, kind of yes, but I'll choose it as an yes. Okay, because I can target 4 tail, it's long tail keyword. Can I see best digital marketing companies, top marketing companies? This one I will not be selecting because it says marketing. Social media comes under this, guys, but I want to keep it as a different service. Okay, so digital agencies, what agency? I'm not sure too particular on this. That's why I'm going to skip this. No, because the user intent is social media. We are targeting the page we want to rank as that. Digital marketing consultant, yes. No social media. Top 10 digital marketing companies, yes. Digital marketing agencies in Bangalore, yes. Freelancer, we are a company, so no. Companies, yes. MNC companies, no. Internet marketing companies, yes. Online marketing companies, yes. Best marketing companies, no, because it doesn't say digital. Okay, best digital marketing services. Startups, no. Content marketing, no. You can do get as a keyword ideas, guys. You can add them in that list. Okay, you can add in your keyword topics list. You can add them here. Content writing services or copywriting services like that. Okay, so let me just go through them quickly, guys. Digital marketing firms, yes. Okay, best digital marketing in Bangalore, yes. Agency, yes. Online marketing, yes. Internet marketing company, yes, yes. Online marketing agency, yes. Best digital agencies, no. Bangalore digital marketing agency. Hope it's not a company. I'm going to select it as a yes. Best digital agency, no. Email, social media, startup. For startups, we offer for pretty much everything. I don't want to be too particular. Now I found 21 super relevant keywords that are around digital marketing. Okay, so these are the keywords I was able to generate. And what I do is, guys, there are other keywords also, but this covers most of them. But still, you can find, guys. I'm not telling you will never find any new keyword idea. If you get it, add it to your list. Okay, click on Add Keywords, and in the left side navigation menu, click on Keyword Ideas. Okay, so once you get keyword ideas, guys, you have a list of them. Click on this download icon, CSV, and then the keywords gets downloaded. Okay, so go once you have downloaded, again, you know the drill. Go to your drive. I think I have to go to my Google Drive. Okay, so once I go to my drive, what should I do? I have to upload this file. Guys, you have an Excel, please use Excel. Okay, let me just upload this, guys. And the file is getting uploaded. Just open this file, open in Google Sheets, and now let me go to my Excel sheet. This is my first service, so I'm going to add it under my second service. So I have my keywords. I'm going to select this, copy, go back, add them. There you go. These are the keywords I want to rank for my consulting company, which is in Bangalore. And demographics, I'll tell about it later, which is mainly used for PPC and social media, not that effective. It's important to understand your buyer's persona. Absolutely, guys. Okay. There is a method called as ask method. He says understanding a customer's requirements, understanding a customer pain points is everything. Okay. Like this, you can do it for other services, guys. Let me take for this one service because that's my personal favorite. It's what I do for a living. Okay. Copy this, go back, paste. What is the keyword? Digital marketing courses. Copy, go back, paste. And step number 1, go to Google, paste the search term. Okay. And give space. Click into the box, give space. Any suggestions you get, select it, copy it, go back here. This you can close. I'll just go back to this list and paste it here. And afterwards, guys, again, step number 1, I think I just closed it. Go to ads.google.com. You know the steps, guys. This I already have an account now. I'm going to sign in. This is the account I have in process. I'm going to select this ad account. Oh man. Okay, just let me verify it, guys. Give me a second. Okay, I'm cool. And once you come to this step, guys, go to, the steps, go to tools. You go to tools option here. Click on keyword planner. Now I already have the keyword copied. Okay. So go to this step, click on first option, paste the keyword, click enter, click on get results. Okay. So again, you get a really good number of quality keywords. This is the one I selected. Suggestions. These all are this. Bangalore. I'm not going to read it, guys, but I'm going to select it quickly, but you got the point. Of course, you'll not be selecting this keyword. Classes, yes. I'm not going to select marketing courses. You know why? IIM says a brand. I don't want to target branded terms. You can do that. That's a good marketing strategy, ranking your competitor names. I don't want to do that now. Okay, top is a marketing institute, online marketing courses. We don't do workshops. We are not in Vijayanagar. Yes. College. We don't do colleges. Academy, no. Training course, yes. Marketing course near me, SEO, MBA. We don't offer MBA. We don't. Kind of, I offer it for free, but of course, guys. But if you are doing for service, if you want to make a living, course duration, kind of. I will select it, but I'm not think it's having high potential of conversion. Fees in Bangalore, of course, yes. Best institute, course with placement, yes. Masters in digital marketing, Bangalore. Sure. Yeah. Everyone is a master now, yeah. It depends, guys. I don't want to judge anyone. I'm not saying I'm a master, but I want to say you don't want you can't measure a person's degree of knowledge, a person's knowledge by number of years. You master by the amount of time spent on learning new skills. Okay, so marketing course. Okay, yes, yeah, coaching in Bangalore, of course. Online marketing training, yes, no, yes, yes. Hope you got the point, guys. I got 34 keywords. Click on this add keywords tab. Once you add them, click on this keywords option. There's an option called as download here. Click on download. And this is how simple as it is. You do a list of keywords. Now, if you have a list of more services, make a list and start doing keyword research. It's not that complicated, guys. Okay, but all of them are long tail. I'm not telling you should not target short tail no matter what. Target them if you're already authoritative. If you're starting just now, don't go after them, because even if you target short tail, no, the transaction ability will be very poor because it's so generic terms. Okay, this is what I do, guys. This is what the list of keywords I want you to list. Now once your keyword research list is done, what I do is, now this I can close this tab. I'll just open drive.google.com just for fun. Not fun, but I'll be using that in the later. So this is my keyword list search list, guys. Now I have made a list. Now you may be thinking one thing is missing. Sir, where is the search volume? Now, if you're a paid user of Google Ads, you get it. If you don't have, what you can do is I'm going to copy these keywords, guys. I'm going to copy all this keyword research list, Control C for copy. And afterwards, I use this tool called as Keywords Everywhere. This extension is a paid extension. I click on this option called as import keywords. I click on this tab, and can you see paste here by single lines? I paste here, and again, guys, I'm losing 55 credits or something. It's fine, but you got the point. I click on get results, and it will start to process and give me the search volume of all the keywords here, and few of them are absolutely zero. Is it right? Web development agency in Bangalore is having zero search volume. Website creation in Bangalore is having zero search volume. So guys, once it is done, can I see here? Copy. Let me see how easily I can paste it. Hopefully I'll be able to do it easily. Let me see. I'm going to create a new Excel sheet. Let me paste this. Now guys, I got all the keywords. Okay, with their respective search volume. I think this keywords is in the same order. Yes, is in the same order, guys. I'm going to copy this keyword research list. Okay, I'm going to copy this column. I'm going to paste the keyword search volume here. There you go, guys. You see the search volume. Okay, and filter by. I think I'm not sure I'm doing it right. Filter. I'm not sure I'm doing it right, guys. I'm not an expert in this, but you got the point. You got the list of the keywords. Now, what I will be doing is I'll be targeting the one which is having the highest search volume. If I see, guys, if I see all the list of keywords, the most important keyword in this list is this one. This, I'll highlight this. This, I will highlight this. Let me make it this. And this is my primary keyword. Primary keyword. No, don't make yourself too big words, guys. In simple words, primary keyword in simple words means the keyword which is having the highest search volume. That is the keyword that gives you the most number of most traffic and conversions. Okay, so you see here some of them are absolutely zero, so you can skip these keywords. There's no point. See, Google told me there is search volume, but like this tool again, guys, this tool is having direct APIs with Google, and there's one more company called as Click Metrics or something. I'm not sure on that. Even that company gives them metrics. Let me just confirm with that which company gives them. Settings. There is a company called Clickstream. Okay, this is the company that give them. Okay, so you can just fill it up, guys. Just fill it up and you're good to go. Now like this, you have to do it for the remaining, guys. You got the point. I don't want to waste my credits, but you got the point. Now you select it, highlight it like this, and here also you highlight it. Because I've been in this industry for a long time, guys, I'll be looking at it. I can select which is having the highest search volume because I've done it for a long time. Now like this, I want you to do it for all the keywords, maybe list of 5 or 10 keywords. I want to do it. This is your assignment, and this is part of today's class. Okay, step by step I want you to do it and get the search volume. Now for search volume, you can't get now, guys. If you want search volume, you have to go for a paid tool, or you have to individually copy all the keywords, go to Ubersuggest and paste it. Okay, but certain times, guys, the metrics will vary. It's not 100% right, and we don't know which tool is better. So but most of the all of them will take the access from Google API only. Okay, guys, so this is aspect of today's class. Thank you, and I want you to do all the list of keywords and get it done. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day. If any questions, we'll have this in the tomorrow's class. Okay, thank you.